I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award-winning Speed Screed. Thank you very much for your question, Tim. And that question is, just had Screed laid and 3-year-old has run across, what do I do? Certainly over the years we've seen various issues with green screed and trafficking, be it workers on site, be it wild animals. We've seen ducks, foxes, that's kind of gone across, and cats are the one of the prime suspects for many damage. So I understand what you're saying on this one. There is a product that I would recommend that will repair the damage in the Screed, and that is Ardex A45 Ardurapid. So it's a fast drying repair mortar. It does also go down onto green screed, so if it's still wet, this is moisture tolerant. A lot of products are not moisture tolerant, whereas this one is. So what you'd need to do is you'd need to clean the surface, just make sure it's free from contaminants, dust, etc. And then prime using the Ardex primer. And then you can lay really from 1 to 20 mil. You can lay that neat with the product. If you're wanting to bulk it out to make it more cost effective, you can use the Ardex aggregate to mix in with it to go beyond the 20 mil just to make it more cost effective. You finish it off with a trowel just over the surface, and that will give you a smooth surface, and you'll never know that anything could happen in the first place. So I'd certainly recommend the Ardex A45. If you've any further questions, just please let me know.